Welcome to the Dero Digital Podcast, where we explore the future of digital marketing, AI search, SEO strategies, and, online growth that actually works.
Yeah, the stuff that's actually moving the needle today.
Exactly. So today's deep dive is on a topic that every business owner, marketer, and really any content creator needs to understand. We are looking at AI SEO, the future of search in 2026.
Which is frankly a massive shift.
Yeah.
I mean, search engines are just changing at breakneck speed right now.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, Google is obviously evolving, but now you have ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity actively influencing people's buying decisions.
Right, and because of that, traditional SEO alone is just no longer enough.
So the big question for you, the listener, is how do brands stay visible in an entirely AI-driven world? Okay, let's unpack this.
I think we need to start by defining the paradigm shift. We are officially moving away from an internet of search and scroll to an internet of ask and answer. For the last decade or so, everyone was basically playing the same matching game. You found the exact phrase someone was typing, you sprinkled those keywords across your site, built some backlinks, and just, well, waited for traffic.
Which was basically the holy grail of traditional SEO. But if you watch how people actually search today, that old machine is totally breaking down.
It's completely breaking down.
So AI SEO is really the process of optimizing your site so that AI-powered platforms can actually understand, trust, and then recommend your brand.
Yes, exactly. In the past, it was all keywords, meta tags, and pure rankings. But today, the AI systems are analyzing content quality, brand authority, user intent, and real contextual relevance.
So Dero Digital defines this whole core shift as moving from ranking pages to building digital trust.
Building digital trust. Yeah, that's the perfect way to phrase it.
I like to think of it this way. Old SEO was kind of like stuffing a resume with buzzwords just to pass an automated HR filter,
Right, just checking boxes.
Exactly. But this new AI SEO is like actually having to pass a grueling technical interview with a human expert who meticulously checks all your references.
Oh, that is a great analogy. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, it really explains the why. AI models, or LLMs, don't just index keywords in a vacuum.
They need actual proof.
Exactly. They evaluate strong authority signals to figure out if your brand actually deserves to be recommended to the user.
Okay, so if the goal has shifted to building trust, we really need to look at where that trust is being displayed because, people are no longer searching only on Google.
Not at all. The behaviors have completely fragmented. People are asking ChatGPT for direct product recommendations.
Yeah, or using Gemini for quick summaries of really dense topics.
Right, and they're relying on Perplexity for deep research or consulting different AI assistants for, immediate buying advice.
And the crucial takeaway here is that those AI tools do not show you 10 blue links.
No, they don't.
They generate direct answers. So if your brand isn't optimized for this specific kind of AI discovery, you completely disappear from the conversation.
You're just gone. Which is why the new focus areas have to be semantic SEO, topical authority, conversational content, and structured data.
Wait, let me stop you at structured data because marketers throw that term around a lot. How is an AI reading structured data any differently than the old Google bot?
Well, structured data like schema markup is essentially the native language of an LLM. It's code on your backend that explicitly categorizes things. It tells the AI, hey, this text is a recipe, or this number is a price.
Oh, wow. So you're removing all the guesswork for the machine.
Exactly. You drastically reduce the computational effort the AI needs to understand you, along with EAT signals, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, and AI-friendly formatting. This is what changes the game.
Okay, but let me push back here for a second. This is where I think a lot of business owners might just throw their hands up.
Yeah, it sounds overwhelming.
Right, because if these AI tools are just generating the answers directly in the chat, aren't websites getting bypassed entirely?
That's huge fear right now.
Why should a business even bother creating content if the AI is just going to read it and summarize it for the user anyway?
What's fascinating here is how AI actually operates.
Yeah.
It uses a process called retrieval augmented generation, or RG. The AI doesn't just invent answers out of thin air.
It has to pull it from somewhere.
Exactly. It must synthesize and cite information. If you aren't providing the foundational AI-friendly format that the LLM uses to build its answer, you won't be the cited source.
Ah, I see. So it's about being the invisible architect behind the generated response.
Right. You have to feed the AI exactly what it needs to construct the answer in the first place.
Okay, so knowing that we have to be that foundational cited source, how do these massive platforms decide which brand to mention? There are millions of possibilities out there.
The criteria are incredibly strict now to filter out spam. AI platforms strongly prefer websites that publish original insights and show real, tangible expertise.
Which means they also want consistent branding, right, and mentions across the entire web, not just your site.
Yes, they look for sites that answer real user questions clearly and provide updated, trustworthy info. The source material explicitly warns that low-quality AI-generated spam simply will not survive in 2026.
Here's where it gets really interesting to me. It's almost ironic. To survive in an AI-driven search world, you basically have to be overwhelmingly human.
That's exactly it.
The AI is essentially acting like a ruthless bouncer that only lets verified, authentic human experts into the club.
I love the bouncer analogy. And the bouncer is checking your background across the entire web ecosystem. Because AI models are trained on the whole internet, your authority is judged by the consensus of what the rest of the web says about you.
Right, ecosystem validation. Okay, so we understand the AI bouncer. We know we need validation. How do we actually execute this? Dero Digital lays out 4 really specific AI SEO strategies for 2026. Let's get into the playbook.
Perfect. Strategy number 1 is to build topic clusters.
Right, so stop writing random blogs.
Exactly. You need to create interconnected content around one core topic. For example, if your topic is an AI SEO guide, you link that out to pieces on AI search optimization, GEO versus SEO, AI content strategy.
And LLM optimization. This all builds topical authority.
Yeah.
But wait, is creating a topic cluster just a fancy marketing term for writing a bunch of articles about the same thing? How is this structurally different from just having an active blog?
This raises an important question about how machines learn. It's all about semantic mapping. An LLM uses vector databases to measure the mathematical distance between concepts.
Okay, math. Got it.
Yeah, so cluster isn't just volume. It's a deliberate interconnected web of links. It proves deep, structured topical authority to the AI rather than just scattered relevance.
You're drawing a map for the machine. I love that. Okay, strategy 2. Optimize for conversational queries.
Yes. People search using natural language now. They're typing or speaking full sentences.
Like, what is the best AI SEO strategy? Or why is my brand missing from ChatGPT?
Right. And your content must answer those specific questions directly. If you format your content as a perfect question and answer pair, it's computationally frictionless for the AI to extract it.
Computationally frictionless, that's the goal. Which leads perfectly into strategy 3, improve brand mentions.
This goes back to the AI learning from the broader web. PR mentions, guest posts, Reddit discussions, Quora answers, social engagement, they all directly influence your visibility.
Let me make this concrete.
Yeah.
If I'm a specialized law firm, the AI is looking for unlinked mentions of my firm on, say, a Reddit thread about compliance, right?
Exactly. Even without a hyperlink, the LLM ingests that positive sentiment and mathematically links your brand entity to the concept of compliance. It's a massive trust signal.
That completely changes how we think about PR. Okay, and finally, strategy 4. Create expert-led content.
Because generic AI-written blogs just won't rank long-term.
You have to use real examples, case studies, industry experience, unique insights, data-backed opinions.
Right, because what an LLM cannot do is invent a real-world experience or a highly specific case study based on your proprietary data.
It can only summarize what's already out there.
Exactly. So those unique human insights are the highest value currency in an AI-driven search world. They increase your trust signals massively.
So tying all 4 of these strategies together, the future of SEO is clearly no longer just search engine optimization. It's really about AI visibility.
It is. It's answer engine optimization, or AEO, and generative engine optimization, GEO.
All wrapping up into brand authority optimization. Businesses that adapt early to this are going to totally dominate over the next decade.
And those that ignore it, they're going to lose their traffic, even if they're sitting at the top of Google today.
The shift is definitely already happening. So if you're listening and you want to future-proof your business with AI SEO, advanced content strategy, and really modern digital marketing solutions, you should visit the Dero Digital official website.
They absolutely know where the web is heading.
Before we wrap up, I want to thank you, the listener, for joining us on this deep dive. Make sure to follow, subscribe, and share this deep dive with any marketers, entrepreneurs, or business owners who really need to get prepped for 2026.
And I want to leave you with one final kind of provocative thought.
Oh, please do.
If we are already scrambling to optimize our content to speak directly to AI models like ChatGPT and Perplexity today, how long until users aren't even typing these natural language queries themselves?
Wait, what do you mean?
Well, soon, A consumer's personal AI agent will be automatically negotiating and querying your brand's AI on the back end.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So when that day comes, are we optimizing for human trust or are we optimizing entirely for AI to AI trust?
AI to AI trust. That is wild to think about. A fascinating frontier to mull over. We'll see you in the next deep dive.